No-handed bandit here in Cache Valley. I got my mountain man beard growing, just like the fur trappers who used to come here and store their fur or cache, and that's where they got the name Cache Valley. That's a quick Utah history lesson from a poly perspective. We're here at the home of the Mustangs, and I'm here at Lynn R. Miller Field for our prep athlete spotlight. I know him as Moroni, but he's got like several AKAs, almost like some of those rappers out there.
My name is Faimafili Laulu Pututau.
Pump fake by Hall's got a man. Who else? Pututau down to the 10-yard line.
Faimafili is the name of my dad. My dad passed away, and he've always wanted to name after my dad. So I think around junior years he decided he wants to change his name.
Hall jumps out, he's got a man underneath, finds him, Pututau, out across the 45 to the 46-yard line. That's a 10-yard gain.
The kid gave me a nickname Mo in 2nd grade, Providence Elementary, and it just stuck with me.
He's always said that we could always call him Mo, which has helped me out because I can make that really quick distinction. A pretty quiet kid. He's very determined. He has a lot of ability that I think even he doesn't know is been able to tap into, and he just works his tail off.
He's going to unload. He's got a man wide open. Touchdown! Pututau in the back of the end zone. A 34-yard touchdown on 4th down and 16.
What's your favorite thing to do in football?
Nothing better than having a guy talking crap to you and then go for a touchdown.
You have kids that work hard, and you have kids with that ability, and I think Mo has those things, but there's definitely a different speed and a different level that you can see out of certain kids that are able to play beyond, and you can see that in them, and that's would be why obviously he has those opportunities in football with BYU.
It's exciting, anything, like full ride scholarship, BYU, like I couldn't ask for anything more than that. That's what I always wanted. I think that's the best thing that college could have for me, and it just relieves so much stress on me and like my family especially.
I was very excited. I'm very excited for him. I think all his hard work paid off.
The opportunities came early for him in football, but I've talked to several coaches about his basketball ability and opportunity, and they're excited. Certainly football will be there for him, but if he wanted, I think basketball by the end of his career, he'd have some opportunities with that as well. He's very quick. He has a natural instinct going to the basketball, and there's been several plays this season where you feel like he's side by side with somebody, and out of nowhere he's at least 2 body lengths ahead. And we had a game against Granger that was very impressive. He got a pass from Eddie, who threw it from the baseline, and Mo took 1 step, beat and finished. Could have easily dunked it.
Box those for you. Beating a guy like one-on-one, I think that's the best feeling.
What's your favorite move?
I don't know if I can tell you this. No, I like to go left. I like to cross over left. Or just burst left. Try and beat him off that, yeah. I was brought up by some of my school counselors, and there's this 26 seconds campaign promoting kids not to drop out of school.
Every 26 seconds, a kid drops out of high school.
LeBron is one of the supporters for that.
Good dreams start here.
And so they took us down, and we actually got to
He's right there, LeBron.
Take pictures with them and watch the Jazzers Heat game.
What's up? How y'all doing?
Hey, good. Hey. Awesome, man.
Hall returns the favor at the other end. Throwdown by Pututau.
He grew up loving basketball. I think he's leaning more towards football.
Yeah, I'd have to go football. Nothing like playing football. You feel obligated to more people. I love playing it.
I look back, it was so fun. I mean, it may sound like it was hard, it was expensive, it's a long gas, a lot of mileage, but a long way, it's a lot worth it to see your kid out there. He's doing great, you know, on the field, on the court, off the court, or wherever. He's growing up to be a good young man. That the trials didn't make him bitter. It actually helped him.
During those tough times, don't give up or give up your talent and abilities. Just keep going and keep working hard. And
you should never give up. You should never give up on your kids' dreams, and whatever trials you may have, you need to make sure you put your kids first. You gotta keep going, keep fighting for them. So when they see that you're fighting for them, you're fighting for their future, you're fighting for their life, and they see that you're putting some time and effort into it, they're returning the favor and, you know, take whatever advice you give them as well.
And I want to just thank my mom, growing up especially, going through hard times, just sticking with me, make sure I do good in sports and school. And my dad and my Heavenly Father and my coaches, Coach Root and Buck, love me a lot. I love them and my teammates. Been through a whole lot. Can't do it without them. Goals? Well, first just win state next year for us, and then go on to play. Worry about that first, and then go on to play college and do really well there.
The No-Handed Bandit and Poly One Media would like to wish Faimafili Laulu Pututau the best of luck this season and great health for the rest of his career. Like I said before, Poly One Media needs help to put on these programs. If you would like to learn more about video production, hit us up in the email, polyonemedia@gmail.com. And also, if you have any media that you'd like on our website, www.polyonemedia.org, hit us up again at that email. For From a Poly Perspective, this is the No-Handed Bandit signing out.